everyone! I'm back here at the new Frontier Theater in Araneta City, Cubao, Quezon City for a night walk around NFT or New Frontier Theater. Because surprisingly, the second level here offers features that apparently are not that visible or noticeable during the daytime. So I'm at the end of the hallway leading to the entry to the Manhattan Parkway condominiums. This side you can also reach by stairs from this side. So you can just go up and down that stairs. And this is the hallway that leads to the Gateway Mall side. And this is the dance studio. It's called the Adlib, which is also an event space here. So right now there are ongoing classes, but I'm not allowed to film them. So I'm just going to show you the schedule and where you can find them here if you're interested in enrolling. So these are the schedule of classes right now, and one of their managers told me that they're open 24 hours in fact, starting, well, but during weekdays starting at 2 p.m. until midnight. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so the only other thing I noticed here, and by the way, this is the direct entrance inside the theater, which is of course closed at this time because of the pandemic. Still no concerts and other similar events, but during the nighttime, this place comes alive in a different way. And this is the other thing that gives it a different flavor at night, which is the ounce or zounce. I don't know why the Z is inside the O here. But they're a newly opened bar. I was told they opened only last December. So they start serving customers late in the afternoon, like around 5 p.m. all the way to midnight. But right now, there are no people yet. So this is their alfresco dining space. If you want like a more of an upper view rather than a direct street view, this is fronting the Isatan Mall outside. Thank you. Okay, so on the right, of course, there's the entrance exit from or to Gateway Mall. Let's check out the other end of the aisle, and then let's go down after this and see what the nightlife looks like downstairs, right in front of the streets, or on the sidewalks, if you would call it that. Even the gateway view from here takes on a whole new meaning, a whole new look at night because of the wonderful play of lights. Everything seems highlighted, like the wristband sign right there. You can see it much better definitely at night rather than in the daytime. And even the gateway tower sign is really just so visible and pretty. Oh, I think that flickering light is coming from the New Frontier Theater's billboard from our side here. And this is supposedly the second floor of McDonald's. which is unoccupied or still closed to the public at this time. And this is the other shop or store that is open now at night. It's called But First Coffee here. So it seems to be a budget-friendly alternative to the more expensive or higher-end coffee shops downstairs, as you will see later on. But definitely there is also alfresco dining seats available here on the second level. We'll just keep walking until we reach the escalator leading down so that we can explore what's downstairs at night. So we're going down now. So this now leads out to the Burger King area or the Manhattan Park View Towers, condo towers. And when we walk back, coming from the escalator, this is now the Tim Hortons coffee shop side on the right, which is somewhat a fancy Canadian coffee brand, rivaling Starbucks, I suppose, only it's Canadian. And this is an inconspicuous or not so obvious IG space here at the Araneta. So when I frame it correctly, you can see why. And it looks so much prettier at night as well. This is directly beside McDonald's. Lot of people tonight on a Saturday weekend, this 26th of February 2022. I'm just going to turn right from McDonald's. And it's 7:03 in the evening as people are enjoying alfresco dining here at the ground floor of the New Frontier Theater, directly in front of the Gateway Mall, which to be honest, really mesmerizes me. The night view is just, it's amazing for lack of words. So this used to be the ticketing booth if you want to watch concerts inside the NFT. So still closed. And then there's Pizza Hut at the corner. They're the corner store directly in front of the Isatan Mall. So let's turn right here at Pizza Hut. And end the tour over there at the Jerry's Grill sign. So this is an indoor view of Pizza Hut from the hallway. Very open and inviting even at night. By the way, during the day, on weekdays, the NFT serves as a vaccination center for the local government of Quezon City. So if you're from around here and you are thinking of getting jabbed this is one of the places you can go to during the weekday by securing an online appointment, of course. And oh, this is just an advertisement for Jerry's Grill, located at Ali Mall, which is a couple of blocks away. I hope you found this quick night walk enjoyable. Believe me, I did enjoy it. There's really a different feeling walking at night sometimes, and it's cooler too compared to in the daytime. Just showing you a quick street view in front of the theater. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button and give it a thumb up. Most of all, consider subscribing to my channel to help support me in my content creation. Until the next one, keep staying safe, take care, and have a rosy day ahead, or have a rosy night ahead. Bye!